This thing would, it wouldn't be here right now. The scene, let me turn some light down.
Oh my gosh. We love old cars.
Mm.
Love old cars.
Ames, Oklahoma. This is in the old school building. It was Brent that owns all these. Oh, mercy. Look at this.
The building is huge. It's so cool. He goes every time we go through it.
There's lights. Whoa.
What a hidden wonder. Did he race?
All these Mustangs. This is unbelievable. This school building was meant to withstand an F3 tornado. It's partially underground, and so he bought the school building, put a door right there where the library windows were, because all the rest of these walls are concrete, and pulled all these cars in here. So if you're a car enthusiast, Ames, Oklahoma is where you want to go. And this guy would love to show you this.
Let's see, how in the heck, farthest distance flown in a Mustang.
Wow.
World's fastest production car, wreck. Yeah, it had several dubious honors.
Yep.
Which one is that?
It's
That
in
yellow
this room
project,
over here. It's
Yeah, Danny Thompson. Mickey.
So we get the story off this one. This is the world's, or was, the world's fastest Mustang. Some of you may know all about this. It's been rolled. This is what's left. Danny Thompson. Here we have these Cobra Jets. There's 3 of them. Take that back. There's 4. Another one up there. So we're in Ames, Oklahoma this morning, and a fellow was walking down the street and saw us and came and talked to us and said, "Hey, I got something to show you." And we're inside the old school building. The old school building is half underground, and it was meant to withstand an F3 tornado. And Brent bought it, the building, and made it a museum. Not many people get to see it. What a privilege today. And he said, if you want to come out and see this stuff, all you got to do is call him. Here's his name right here.
A farming operation for taking this truck around to farm shows. What we discovered is you take a 180 mile an hour diesel 4-door truck to a farm show, you're going to bring in a bunch of folks. And they really...
So this is a diesel.
Yeah, this was one of the first 6-7 Power Strokes, and we were working with Ford Motor Company, and they made the horsepower, and we set the chassis and everything up, and we set several records with it. And gosh, this thing's been on tour all over the United States. It's at Daytona, SEMA show, all the big farm shows, Texas State Fair. It made the circuit.
Wow. So if you're ever in Ames, Oklahoma, you have got to see this. And Brent will let you in. All you got to do is call him. We're going to give you his Facebook link. And he will let you in here to see all this. And it is just amazing, some of the cars he has in here. So pay them a visit. Ames, Oklahoma, population about 200. Brent was born and raised close to Ames. So come pay him a visit. He would love to talk to you.